Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage Google Passwords on Google Pixel 8. To do this, we'll need to launch our Google Chrome, then click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and move to the settings. Enter Password Manager, here click on the gear icon and make sure that Offer to Save Passwords is enabled. Next thing is to open any website that we can log in to. In this case, I'm gonna go for the Facebook. Enter your credentials into the pool. And when you click on Login button, after a few moments, we should see the pop-up with a question to save the password. We're gonna do it and then go back to Password Manager. Now on the bottom you can see all of the websites that you tried to log in and you have saved the passwords. And here's a Messenger, which should work as a Facebook. And then there's the credentials that we used. What we can do here is to click on the I button to preview the password. You can copy both password and username, and you can add notes to them. You can click on Edit to change username or password. Make sure to save it afterwards. And one last thing we can do here is to click on Delete to remove the password from the list. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.